Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. TON Station Season 2 is ending. What it means for $SON and its future. The clock is ticking for TON Station Season 2, set to conclude on February 14, 2024. Since its launch on November 15, 2023, this season has brought numerous opportunities for participants to farm rewards and earn SON points, making it one of the most talked about events in the crypto space. With a reward pool worth millions in contributions from leading blockchain projects, the excitement around the $SON token is at an all-time high. If you've been following TON Station or participating actively, here's everything you need to know before Season 2 ends and what lies ahead for $SON. Season 2 highlights: the rewards and partnerships that defined the season. TON Station's second season wasn't just another event, it was a showcase of innovation and collaboration in the crypto world. Here are some key takeaways. Massive reward pool. The season's reward pool totals an impressive $3 million, giving participants plenty of incentive to farm SON points. Notable contributors include $450,000 in $KOKO tokens from Cocody Game, contributions from Metropolis World, Superverse, and other major blockchain projects. SON points, the gateway to rewards. Participants have been completing various quests and tasks to earn SON points. These points act as a currency to unlock rewards, including tokens from the reward pool. Tasks range from engaging with partner platforms to completing in-app activities, offering opportunities for both seasoned crypto users and beginners. Big-name partnerships. TON Station collaborated with some of the most well-known projects in the blockchain world, such as Cocody Game, a blockchain gaming ecosystem; Metropolis World, a virtual city building platform; Superverse, a metaverse-focused initiative. These partnerships not only boosted the platform's credibility but also brought unique rewards and opportunities for users. What to expect before February 14th? With less than 3 months to go, the race is on for participants to maximize their efforts. Here's what you should focus on. Earn more SON points. Complete as many tasks as possible before the deadline to increase your share of the reward pool. Track partner contributions. Keep an eye on new contributions to the reward pool, as additional rewards may be added in the final weeks. Prepare for $SON's listing. Use this time to strategize. Decide whether you'll HODL $SON for long-term potential or capitalize on early market opportunities. $SON token, a closer look at its market potential. The Token Generation Event, TGE, for $SON took place on November 25, 2024, at 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, setting the stage for its upcoming market debut. With its listing expected in early December, the crypto community is abuzz with speculation about how the token will perform. Pre-market projections. Several exchanges, including Bybit, XT, and BitGet, have released preliminary price estimates for $SON. The token is expected to launch with a pre-market price of $0.004264, generating excitement and anticipation among investors. Investor sentiment. The crypto community is divided. HODL strategy. Some believe $SON has strong long-term potential, especially given TON Station's partnerships and community-driven ecosystem. Early trading gains. Others are looking to sell during the early trading days, expecting price spikes driven by demand. Potential catalysts for growth. Platform expansion. TON Station plans to onboard more projects in the coming months, which could boost $SON's value. Broader adoption. If $SON becomes widely used across TON Station's ecosystem, its utility could drive sustained demand. Key dates to watch. Here's a quick timeline of important events to keep in mind. November 15, 2023, start of TON Station Season 2. November 25, 2024, $SON Token Generation Event, TG. Early December 2024. Expected listing date for $SON on major exchanges. February 14, 2024. Final day to farm SON points and claim rewards in Season 2. Why TON Station stands out. TON Station has quickly become a favorite among crypto enthusiasts, thanks to its user-friendly interface, lucrative rewards, and partnerships with top blockchain projects. By allowing participants to earn rewards through engaging activities, it bridges the gap between decentralized platforms and user adoption. The platform's success is also a testament to its ability to create a thriving ecosystem, where tokens like $SON are more than just digital assets. They represent a community-driven economy. What should you do now? Maximize SON points. The more points you farm, the greater your share of rewards. Focus on completing tasks from high-value projects. Stay updated, follow TON Station and its partners on social media to catch any last-minute updates or changes. Plan your $SON strategy. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader, have a plan ready for $SON's listing. The end of TON Station Season 2 marks a significant milestone for the platform and its community. Whether you're here for the rewards, the partnerships, or the investment potential, now is the time to make your moves.